What is going on, YouTube? It's Brad here, coming at you from Middle America. Doing more old man talking about shoe nonsense again. We're going to be quick. I always say that and then I ramble on. But whatever. This arrived a little while ago. This is not a shoe for me. This is a shoe that I bought as a gift. I am going to assume that the recipient, the intended recipient, is not going to watch this because I honestly believe that nobody watches this bullshit that I do. So yeah, we're gonna go through here. Interesting colored box. Yeah, kind of cool. We are looking at the Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG GS. I had to look it up. But GS stands for grade school here in the States. So there's the tag. That's what we got. I was browsing around on a site. I want to say it was Reynolds and Sons out of Michigan. I'm not from Michigan. I just browse around all these places looking for shoes. Came across these, and I thought that they would be good for member of the family that has a birthday coming up. So here we go. We opened it up. We got paper in here. Looks like a lot of wrapping paper. Right here on the top we got laces. Looks like a waxed kind of lace. Yeah, like a we're gonna call that I don't know, you tell me what color that's supposed to be. I'll bet it's in the, but it's on the tag somewhere, and it tells you what color each of these are, but who knows? I don't know. I honestly, not sure that I care. But, yeah, whatever. Extra laces, look to be waxed. That's kind of cool. I'm going to set these over here. I didn't tell you, I showed you, I didn't tell you what the color is. It's Regency Purple and Vapor Green. For those of you in the know, you already realize these are the Zion Williamsons, alternate. Kind of a cool shoe. I thought that the shoes are intended for my nephew. He's a littler person. Yeah, I think that this is going to be a good a good look for him. This seems like something that a little person would wear, right? Am I right? So the Retro OG, kind of the quality Jordan. Yeah, I kind of dig this looking at it in hand. Obviously can't put it on foot, but whatever. Basic rope laces, kind of a gray tone here. We got canvas all around with the mud guard. Toe box, no perforations in the toe box. Instead, it's got the little stitched X's. Kind of cool. Okay, I'll go for that. Some people called this the Frankenstein. I think that maybe the official name for it's the VooDoo. Yeah, either way it works. It's kind of cool. Good quality canvas, different colorways up here through with the gray, kind of maybe a dark smoke purple. Suede tongue. More canvas in the back, little stitching here. You got a little, look, you got a little guy there on the back. A little guy, he's got a button eye. Yeah, button eyes are fun, right? Inside here, another lace. Looks like it's black. Got the little Jordan logo on the box. We gotta like the little Jumpman logo. Can you all see that? I don't know if you can or not. Doesn't matter. Yeah, little Jordan logo on the box. That's nice. Oh, look. It says shoelaces, just in case you get confused. I'm not going to pull all this out. I want to put it back in the box so that he can get it. I'll maybe snap some pictures, whatever. Suede swoosh on the interior. Black suede swoosh. swish, swoosh on the outside. Standard Jordan 1 low sole. Everybody seems to like that. Looks like outsole's kind of a grayish shenanigans. I don't know what the midsole is. I assume it's not sail. Maybe photon? Could be photon. Whatever. Doesn't matter. I'm not going to be wearing these anyway. Yeah, as part of this whole vibe here, I think this is some kind of nod to like New Orleans and some of the culture down there. They're in the VooDoo name. Kind of sideways with some of the design, but I like it. Nike Air Tab on the tongue, upside down. Upside down's a thing, right? Same thing on the back. Jordan logo on the back. We like the Jordan logos. It's upside down. And if you take and you pull up on the back, you can expose little Easter egg, right? Halloween egg, maybe? I don't know. Whatever. It says VooDoo back there in some kind of crazy bony font. Yeah. Very nice. I kind of dig this. Let's look at the other shoe. Sorry for the paper noise. What is this? This one's all wrapped up. Wrapped up proper like. Here we go. We'll get rid of it. I'm going to set these down here. Cool. Yeah. All right. Same thing, just the opposite. Not like the evil version. But yeah, just right shoe. Same design aesthetic. They are they are not completely just polar opposites. They do have different color blocking on each one. They're not a uniform shoe. So we got slightly different shade on the mud guard of the left shoe than on the right. Right's a little bit brighter purple, which is fine. That's okay. And then it's opposite on the back side. There you go. You see? You do this. I'm sorry. I'm going to go ahead and do this number right there. We'll do this. I've seen Ben over on Pinoy Manshaft do this when he does his lace swaps. He holds them up like this. That's a thing. So we like that. We like Ben. We watch Ben. Okay. So there's that. Right shoe. Hey, another lace. You guys probably already saw that. And again, little Jumpman logo, says shoelaces on the bottom. Can you see that? I don't know. It's kind of just embossed in there. Whatever. This looks like a green. Same green as on the toe tag, or the tongue tag. You know what I'm saying. Yeah, so we got that. We're going to set these over here with the other ones. And let's pull up the back tab on the other one. Oh, look, back tab on the other one. It's also got that little bony kind of font. It says Zion. Zion's a basketball player, right? Zion Williamson. Maybe played for New Orleans. I don't know. I don't watch basketball. I don't do anything. I just do this idiot shit. Hoping that somebody likes and subscribes and comments so that I get some sort of validation for my nonsense. Yeah, but anyway, these will be a gift. Too small for my foot. But yeah, I kind of dig these. These will be all right, correct? Put something down in the comments. Tell us what you think of the Zions, the VooDoos, the VooDoo alternate, as they call them. I think that's what that's what everybody's saying here on the YouTubes. Yeah, this one here. Oh, well, look at that little scully head guy with the beard, with a button eye, different color button eye. All right, yeah. All right, there you go. Thanks for watching.